see.
There's a question, Lucas.
How old
Please
are
mind the
you?
gap between the train and the
That
platform.
looks incredible.
This is Hammersmith. Change
I think
here
you should save that for
for
your
District
favourite,
and
because I think
Hammersmith and
that's going to
City
be
lines.
amazing when you open
The
it.
next station
Really
is
gonna be fun.
Acton Town. This is a Piccadilly line
It
service
would be
to Hammersmith.
Thank you.
Burn that one out. Thank you very much. Maybe the smaller box. Maybe the smaller box is better for you.
For me as well.
You've got a good head. You know, your brain will work better when you do Lego. It'll be good.
The next station is Acton Town. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
I know. Now your mind will be so big. Someone's been giving you a lot of positive feedback.
We're getting off.
You learn a lot from your children, don't you? See this one? Who's this then? Who's that? That's just so. What I want to know is why is he cooking a barbecue and then there's a helicopter? I don't understand. Do you? Yeah, well, I think you would. Is that a hot dog? Amazing, isn't it? Isn't it? Both one. You have got a sharp brain. Because I didn't know what that was. Are you excited to do it? The vaccine? You get one. Yes. I don't know what you do. Control. Be careful with this bit because it gets rocky.
Yes, it's kind of swinging around here because they changed tracks. They changed tracks here. See?
Whoa, it's like you're surfing. It's exciting, isn't it? Is it fun?
Shall we put this back in?
That's if you're on the sea. Yeah? And you've got to get your knees strong. Like,
And shark swims too.
I know. We're not here. Pretend. There are lots of sharks in London.